I've seen that in my sink before.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of ThatCarLife, and today we've got some big changes happening to the S15. Alright, so you're probably wondering, what are these big changes? Well, you're probably not, because you don't really give a shit. But I actually ended up getting some Work Meister Reps. So these are 18 by 10s plus 25 offset. I do have some stickers to go with them as well, like Work Meister stickers. I know they're not legit, but I think they look like pretty much as close to the real thing as I'm going to get. And I also got some Yashio style LED tail lights. And I've been wanting both of these for a really long time. But now I've finally had the opportunity to get them. And yeah, so I'm going to go get tires mounted on these today. And then I'm going to test fit them. I might have to adjust the height a little bit because it's slammed on its bloody balls right now. And then yeah, then I'm going to put the tail lights on, and it's going to completely change the look of the car, so I can't wait. Right, so my kids are in the car right now. We're going to take them to school. We put them in all the seats. Oh fuck, it almost fell out. So as you can see, we have the wheels pretty much stacked up to the floor. So yeah, we're going to head down and we'll get the tires mounted on. I don't know how they're actually going to fit all the tires in the car. I've done it before, so we'll try it. But we'll give it a go. So next time you see, the next clip that you see will probably be all the tires in the car, or me at home, hopefully with all the tires here. So fingers crossed. Alright, so I just got back from the tire shop. Somehow I managed to fit all of them in the car. It was a bloody mission, but it worked. I managed to get some 245s by 40s stretched on, and they did a really good job. So this is how they look. Alright, so I'm not too sure if these wheels are going to fit on the car at the height that it's at, but I think I'm going to test fit one of the wheels on the front just to see if it can fit. The rears, I honestly don't think they're going to fit at all. So I think I am going to have to make some height adjustments again today. So I have everything that I need right down here. Going to jack up the car, test fit the front ones, and we'll just see how it goes. So I'll start jacking up the car now. Alright, so I just got the first stocky off, and now I'm just going to grab one of the new wheels and see if it fits. Alright, so it's been some time and I actually put the wheels on, but it did not clear the brakes. So I had to put the stockies back on. So I am going to need to put spacers on if I am going to get those wheels to fit. But I am really cut. But I did manage to put the Yashio tail lights on. So that did make a huge difference. So yeah, I'm cut the wheels didn't fit, but I guess that's cars for you. Nothing really works out how you really want them to. So I guess the next clip you see will probably be with putting the spacers on. Alright guys, so I just actually test fit the rear wheels to see if they fit, because the rear brakes actually sit a bit further back than the front brakes do. So I thought, let's give it a go and see how it fits. And holy shit, they fit. Wow. I literally cannot get over this. That is just a completely different car. And does it pass the finger test? Yes, it does. That is really that is really low. Let's get another look at it. Wow. So I'm still trying to decide if I should keep it at this fitment or if I should raise it just a tad bit higher, because this is my daily still. But I have to admit, this fitment looks amazing. Yeah, that looks so good. So all I have to do now is just wait on the spacers for the front, because even on the stock wheels, you can see that the brakes are pretty much just missing here as well. I can't even put my finger down there. So this definitely needs spacers. Now the other wheel, when I test fitted it, was only just touching this, so I might need a 10 or 20 mil spacer just to get it to fit. But once that's on, I'll be able to put all 4 of them on. So yeah, I'm glad the rears fit without spacers, so that's going to save me a lot of time and money. So I'm just going to wait on these, and I guess when I do get those in and put them on, that's when I'll see you guys next. So let's do it. Hey guys, so we're back, and I finally got my spacers in the mail. So I ended up getting some 5mm spacers off Shift Performance. Hopefully this is enough to clear the brakes. If not, I'm going to be really fucking upset. But it should be enough, because the brakes were only just touching the wheels. So fingers crossed that's enough. And yesterday I got this in the mail, which I ordered 2 months ago, and I completely forgot about it. So since this is a quick and easy one, we'll just chuck it in now. Why is this so hard to take out? And it's out. That was so easy to get out. Totally didn't struggle. Anyway, I think the plan is to chuck it up on here. Shout out to 15 as. He told me that you have to, because there's no passenger handle to hold this onto. So what you got to do in the S15s is you got to pull this out, and then it's hard to do this one hand, and then just place that over there, kind of like that. Actually, that is totally not right. I'm retarded. Well, it won't actually fit all the way over here, so I guess it's just gonna have to do sitting right there. Looks alright though. That looks so off just sitting on that side. I've definitely got to change that. Alright, so I just maxed out the camber bolts. So now it's just time to take off the wheel and see if these fit. So, moment of truth. Alright, let's see if this does the trick. Oh shit. That should hopefully do it. Well, at least it fits and it's the right one. I don't know if you could tell in that last time lapse, but I actually had the spacers on the wrong way. So I had to flip it around, but it does fit now. So now it's time to lower the car and see how it looks. That fits pretty good. Damn. This actually looks so good, and I think the fitment's pretty good as well. So I might just leave it at this ride height as well. And the brakes, it looks like it's hitting, but there's literally the tiniest gap between it. So it's just barely not touching. I'm not sure if that's going to touch when I drive or not, but only one way to find out. But I can kind of feel there's a little tiny bit of a dip in there, so it should just clear the brakes. So let's get the rears on and see how one whole side fits. Alright guys, sorry for being really delayed. I was just too excited to get the wheels on. But as you can see, the wheels are on and they look fantastic. Wow. Alright, so at first I wasn't really happy with the height, but now that it's actually on the street, I'm just like, I can't even talk properly, I'm just that excited. Like, it just looks crazy. And I haven't got the Work Meister stickers on these yet. I'm just going to put them on after I finish this quick drive. But wow, that is insane. I just can't get over it. That is just crazy. But it definitely looks a lot better with the Work Meister stickers. So yeah, I'm just going to take it for a little drive. Actually, you know what? I might even just put the Work Meister stickers on now so I can do a photo shoot. So I guess next time I see you guys, I'll probably be at a spot taking photos of it. I just can't stop smiling at it. This is crazy. Wow. Alright, let's see Ryan's reaction. How you going, bro?
Hey mate, smells like smoke and clutch. Must be Jordan.
It was not me. It only happened once, man.
Oh, okay.
What do you reckon, man?
I've just been asleep all day, mate. Trying to start it.
I can tell you sound. I haven't started all day.
Yeah,
you know.
I tried to, then I fell asleep.
How fat is that, man?
What's this, mate?
What do you reckon?
Wow. I've seen that in my sink before.
The dish?
Yeah.
Did you clean them?
Yeah, I did actually. How many plates do you reckon you can fit in there?
Probably about 12.
Nice.
What do you reckon, man? Honest opinions?
I really like them. I think the silver really suits the colour of the car. That's the grey.
Yeah. But you know what else? I think with these on, the ducktail actually looks alright.
I don't know how that happened, but it did.
Like, I don't get that.
Actually, I think it's the lights. Better.
Yeah, the lights help it a lot.
The trim, yeah.
Pretty damn sick, eh? Do you want a Silvia now? Bro, put these wheels on the Impreza. Actually, we haven't even showed your car on the channel yet. It's boosted, isn't it? Oh wow, can you actually put your phone in there?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's good holder.
Oh my god. That was the best thing ever. Let's see it from the front actually. Damn. My headlights definitely need a buff though. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm super happy with how it drives. It doesn't rub at all, surprisingly. Even though Ryan thought it would rub, it doesn't. And yeah, I can't get over with how good it looks. Like, we did have to make some adjustments on the front just to raise it a tiny bit so it actually functions. But overall, yeah, I think it's perfect. I love it. And yeah, overall it was a good experience. It was really hard with having to wait on the spacers and having to go through that ordeal. But overall, yeah, it was a really good experience, and I'm just glad all the wheels are on the car and it actually looks amazing. Like, what do you reckon, Ron?
Oh, you're very good, mate. Very proud of you. Can you not get so close?
So yeah, stay tuned. I'm still gonna do that comparison video of the flutters. I know I've been taking ages. I do have exams coming up like next week, so it might be a bit delayed. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more S15 videos. As soon as my exams finish next week, I'm gonna go straight into it with the videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.